Good morning, students. I, Neha, your teacher of English, welcome you all in Rishikul Online School. So, dear student, as you know that we have already started our sample 3 for the class 9th for subject English language and literature. So, in this lecture, we will discuss section C, that is of literature. Let's see the section C. It is of 20 marks. Answer the following questions by choosing the most appropriate option. And the first question is, what kind of stories did Margie's great grandfather read? And here you are having 3 options and you have to choose the most appropriate option. I repeat the question, what kind of stories did Margie's great grandfather read in the story, the fun they had? So the correct answer is A. He reads stories printed on the paper. Now see the second question. Why did most of the teacher discourage Evelyn? And the options are because she has not able to learn, because she was deaf, or because she was poor. So the most appropriate option is because she was deaf. She was not able to listen. So that's why most of the teacher discouraged her, that she was not able to learn music or other things. Next, see the third question. Why was the Shehnai played in temples and weddings till recently? And the correct answer is because it was considered auspicious. Its sound was considered auspicious. So that's why the Shehnai was played in temples and wedding till recently. Now see the next option. What will the poet be telling with the sigh? The poet will be telling with the sigh about the option that he has chosen. Means he was not happy with the choice that he made in his life. So that's why he will be telling with the sigh. Now see the next question. At whom does the wind poke fun? In the poem The Wind. And there the wind poke fun at weaklings, at weak things that comes in its way. So the A option is the correct one.